increase the Earth's carbon dioxide levels. The atmosphere gets hotter. Water evaporates. Vegetation dies. We thought life had finally found a foothold. Now it looks like we were wrong. There are no signs of life on land. But in the oceans, this can't be right. The oceans are turning pink. And the plants, the trilobites, the predators, everything's gone. Everything except for this pink algae. The new hotter atmosphere must have heated the oceans and stripped them of oxygen. Now, nothing except algae can survive in the stagnant water. The Siberian eruptions are transforming the entire planet. Nothing, not even the deepest ocean floor, is beyond their reach. Look, bubbles. But it's not oxygen, it's methane, escaping from vast pockets of methane gas beneath the seabed. Methane is a greenhouse gas, at least 20 times deadlier than carbon dioxide. Until now, the gas has been frozen. But as the sea temperature rises, the gas begins to melt. Released into the atmosphere, this powerful gas pushes up temperatures even further. Up to almost 40 degrees, 6 degrees hotter than before the Siberian eruptions. Now, even the creatures that have made it this far are doomed. It's 500,000 years since the eruptions first began. And all this time, for 500,000 years, the lava has been pouring out. By now, it covers an area the size of the United States, with a layer of molten rock nearly 6 kilometers deep. 250 million years ago, we're back where we started, on a lifeless planet. Almost. It's 50 million years since virtually all life on Earth was wiped out. And the planet has been transformed. It's now 200 million years ago. And there's just one supercontinent called Pangaea, stretching from pole to pole. After the trauma of the mass extinction, the planet is healing. Temperatures are stabilizing. The acid rain is neutralizing and vegetation returning. And with 95% of all life on Earth wiped out, the field is open for a new species to emerge. One that will dominate the planet like no other before or since. The dinosaurs. These dinosaurs are called ammosaurs. Like all dinosaurs, they've evolved from the handful of reptiles that survived the Permian extinction. At 4.5 meters tall, their size makes them slow and vulnerable. A Dilophosaurus. 2 of them. They're small and fast. Ammosaurus is too big a meal for one Dilophosaurus, but not for 2. The dinosaurs have repopulated the Earth, but no species can tame this restless, volatile planet. The Earth's crust is thinning here. It's releasing lava, shaking with earthquakes, as though it's being stretched by some unseen force. And the same thing is happening all the way down what will be North America's eastern seaboard. The Earth's plates are on the move again. 190 million years ago, the great supercontinent of Pangaea breaks up. A vast slab of land has broken away. It creates a chasm, and this fills with a new ocean called the Tethys, over what will one day be the Middle East. Currents are pushing nutrients up into the coastal waters running along what will be Saudi Arabia, Iraq, and Iran. And the nutrients attract fish in their millions. And with so much life, also comes death. Dead fish and plankton carpet the ocean floor. Over the next 10 million years, layers of rock will bury and heat the dead creatures. Ancient fish and plankton will become oil. Every liter of fuel in our cars, every piece of plastic on the planet, the paint on our walls, the carpet under our feet, even the soap we wash with, almost all originated in this way. $180 million years ago, and further west, the North American plate is still moving away from the European and Asian plate. It happens slowly, at about 2.5 centimeters each year, the same speed as our fingernails grow. But hit fast forward, and a new ocean forms right beneath us, and new continents. Montreal moves away from Marrakesh, New York from West Africa. The world as we know it is taking shape. The chasm